Alright fellas, I'm going to show you how to put the roll center adjusters. You need to get them from Compost or MR2 has them. This is what they look like. Pretty good quality. Hardwood. Awesome. And you guys need longer bolts, so they do come with hardwood. So their back and front are exactly the same, so it doesn't really matter which goes first. Yeah. First you need to jack your car up and get a 17mm impact breaker bar or whatever, or your old ratchet. It's pretty simple. Let's go under. Once you go under, there's going to be 2 bolts. While you're doing this, it'd be good to do your lower ball joints. I already did mines, all 4, so I'm good to go. So it should be a simple 2 bolts each side. Push this control arm down. It should just drop once you loosen the bolts. Then you stick that right in the middle of it. That's it. Let's do this. 14mm, I'm sorry. I thought it was 17. One. 2. Simple as that, guys. Pull this down. And then it goes right in the middle of that. So make sure you put the groove the right way. This goes on top of the ball joint, just like this. Like this, guys. This one's on top, this one's on bottom. Pull this down. Boom. Easy as that. No less than 20 minutes. Okay. Make sure everything's snug in the grooves. Just like that, guys. There you go. Make sure you guys put it in the groove. There's 2 grooves, one up top right there. Right there, see that circle? That ring has to go in there. And the ball joint has to go inside the bottom. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much it, fellas.